Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. In today's exciting sprouting video, I want to discuss with you guys about this edible, sustainable landscape near a pool area. So let's jump right into this video. So Ultimate Gardeners, around December to January, I was given at my job a project to do along with my boss of decking out and redesigning and redoing this entire landscape area that was around their pool area. And pool areas are a bit more difficult to design because not all looks tend to look good when it comes to a pool area. So you want to make sure you nail your plants perfectly. So in December and January, we removed all the trees we did not want. We removed all the big clumps of rocks and pebbles and such not, clearing off this area ready to receive all new plants in that area. One thing we did want to achieve was the topic, which was growing plants that were able to sustain one another, as well as they were edible and they could grow together without you babying them around. So that was something I had to keep in the back of my head when it comes to design wise, as well as choosing the plants. Around the middle of January to the middle of February, around that specific timeline, that's when we were able to design out and thought out and think through how we wanted to lay out this area. Then we got the plants in and we planted them out, and the area looked stunning from the beginning. Although all the trees were small, we still had some progress going. Then that's when we are here today, and you see these huge banana trees, huge Jamaican cherry trees, and you see that we also applied a new structure to that area that was mountains of soil, so it would not look like a formal flat area. If not, it would look like it was naturally there. So you don't have a flat piece of land. If not, you have like these intricate designs in that area to elevate your visuals even more. And in there we planted potato mint, I believe spinach, and this other plant that I don't recall what it was because I saw it in the greenhouse and so I planted it out. I believe we have approximately like 4 hills of those with all different types of plants. And in that area we have blue butterfly pea, we have Jamaican cherry aka strawberry tree, bananas, we have rose apples, we have miracle fruit, we have spinaches from the Okinawa sisu, as well as, what was the other one, longevity. And we have so many other plants that are in that area that are coming along and growing very well together. So I'm super proud how this area came together. So once again, here are the before photos and here are the after photos. There's such a difference there, and now the pool area is elevated, it looks more welcoming, and once again it's sustainable. You don't have to be there constantly pruning or taking care of these plants, and also they're all edible plants, so they either produce fruit or the foliage is edible to eat. I'm super excited that this area has come together to how we liked it to be. There's still a lot of details we still have to apply to this area, so I'll definitely give you guys an update later on in the season for you guys. So leave me any comments if you would like to see any more videos on this type of project, because I really had fun filming this video as well as explaining to you guys the journey we had with this area. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.